Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this video, we will learn about the motifs, main motifs, which is very popular and very common in Kerala mural painting, like how to draw the lines, the curvy lines, how to draw the ornament patterns, ornament designs, how to draw the hand posture and leg postures, and everything. So from today's video, I think it will take 2 to 3 episodes, and we will discuss about only motifs and the patterns. So we will use only gel pen, marker pen. If you have ball pen, then you can use ball pen. Otherwise, you can use pencil, normal pencil. With the pen's help of pencil, you can make the design, you can make the pattern, and you can start the practice of the motif. So first we will discuss about the normal pattern, which is like circles, curvy lines, some spiral lines are there, everything. So let's start. Okay, so let's start with motifs. So in this episode, we will use only pencil or black marker pen, or you can use gel pen, black gel pen. You can use black ball pen, anything. Because this is the today we will not use any color and all. We will just focus on the motifs. So these are some designs which is very commonly found in Kerala mural painting. So this is let's start with the first one. See, this is very common in Kerala mural. Okay, after that you need, this is very common, like this. You can find this thing in each and every Kerala mural painting, like this. Okay, these two patterns. So it is very common design. You need to practice this from left to right and right to left. Okay, and this is very important. This is very important in Kerala mural, and these design are playing very important role in Kerala mural painting. So you need to do more practice to make these design. So without wasting any time, we will focus on that only. See, this is 1 and 2. Now see, just you need to draw 1, 2, 3 and 4. I think it is visible for you, otherwise I can use black. Okay, it's better ki I will use this pen. Sometimes I will use this pen and sometimes I'll use this pencil. Okay, after that just you need to draw one big circle around the circles. Now this is very important, as I said. So you need to make design like this. Like this. Okay, this is the method to draw this pattern. See, okay. Now the second design, just you need to draw the circle, and at the circle you need to draw 1, 2, 3 and 4 circles together. Okay, after that 1, 2. If you are not comfortable without tracing, then you can trace the one circle, and according to that circle you can make the design. Okay, I am making this thing. Okay, like this. You write M, right? Just like this. Okay, now 1, 2, little far, 3 and 4. Just draw some lines between these 4 lines. 2 is there and 2 is there. Okay, Now you need to draw again 2 more circles like this. And like this. Okay, just need to draw some circles inside these 2 lines. Okay, after that again you need to draw this thing. So suppose you are doing this thing, so you need, okay, this is a small, I can use rounder or you can use without rounder. Okay, so like this, again like this, just you need to do it slowly like this. It seems it is like that, but it is not like that. It is like 1 2 3 like this. Okay, once you will be perfect in this design, if you will be perfect to trace all the motifs, then we can start the paintings. Okay, okay, now 1 2, again 1 2, all the 4 corners you need to draw. It is little big, so I can make it little small. Okay, now you have to make it double like this. After that, just you need to draw 1 line like this. All these designs are step by step, so don't worry, just you need to focus on that. Okay, now 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. The middle portion will be little higher. The middle portion, all these 3 lines, see, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Okay, now this is completed. Next, this is 1 2 3 4. It seems it's quite similar, but it is not similar, and you need all these design to make the paintings. So again, just draw a small circle, draw the other small circle, and just make one big circle around the small circles. Now 1 2, just you need to draw these patterns. Okay, again just you need to draw this double. Okay, now you need to draw some, this design I told you, this is very important. So you need to draw one circle here, one circle here, one circle here, and one circle here. Now you need to draw this design. Again, just draw this pattern like this. Okay, just you can twist the sketchbook. Okay, like this. And just draw okay. Now it is not completed because now we have to increase the pattern. Okay, just draw one line and two line. Okay, and again just draw the third line. After that, just you need to draw this wala design here, and after that you need to make like this. Okay, now just you need to draw one line, and just you need to draw this double. These all are very important patterns for Kerala mural art. So you need to do some more practice about this. One petal, second petal, third, fourth. Okay, now just draw one here. That's it. Okay, now we'll move forward for the next one. All these design uses in the sometimes if you are making any ornament, if you are making any male person's ornament or female person ornament, then you can use these patterns. Okay, so we'll move forward for the next one. So one circle, second circle, again maintain the distance, and again one circle and second circle. Okay, just now you need to draw some circle inside these circles. I think these are very easy steps, so you can make it, I know. Now just draw one circle. Okay, again it is, I need to make like this. Okay, now you need to draw 1 2 1 2. Okay, this is one of the pattern. Now we'll move forward for the another one. Okay, just draw one circle. Okay, one line there and one line here. I think it is proper visible for all of you. Okay, now just make it double because I am using shading pencil. It is very dark. That's why, because I can't use pen. If I do any mistake, then I can't erase. That's why I'm using pencil, and I hope you can see all the patterns properly. Now just draw one line here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now you need to draw some lines with the gaps like this. Okay, now you need to draw one. You can take half finger margin. Okay, now you need to draw one just one line. After that we will make it double line. Okay, now you need to draw one big circle. Okay, after that you can draw one biggest circle around the design like this, and you can make like this, and okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 patterns. Now we will move forward for the next. Just draw one rectangle. After that you need to do another rectangle. Same as you did with the circle, you need to do the with rectangle also. Okay, same pattern which you have followed for the circle one, you need to draw. This is for the practice, this is for you can understand when you will start the practice with these design, then you can understand what is exactly Kerala mural, because Kerala mural designs are totally different from any other folk art. So you need to do some more practice. After that you can make the patterns, after that you can make the designs. Okay, Kerala mural is just about your practice work. Okay, now it's done. Same like this design, you can make this design like this. 1 2, draw the line. Okay, just draw the pattern, make it double. Again you can make and draw the circles. All these video are without editing, so you can learn with my mistake also. Okay, so this is very simple way to teach you. Now you can draw like this and like this, just make it double. Okay, now again you need to draw this very common style, very common pattern of Kerala mural. This method is very common in Kerala mural. This is okay. Now all this 7, this is 8 and this is 9. Now the next one line, 2 line, just trace the design like this. Okay, again here and here, and just join these lines, just make it double. Okay, now you can draw 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, just make it double. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now just you need to draw 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line, 1 and 2. Okay, now you have to make it this like this and this. You have to make it like this and this. You have to make it like this and this. You have to make it like this and this. Got it? Now just make one line over there. When you will start to make this, just open the video, and after that you can make it and you can make some more practice. Okay, now you have to make join like this. You can join like this from there to here. Just you need to draw, focus on this thing and you can draw. Okay, simple. Okay, now we will move forward for the next pattern. One circle, another circle, again one circle and another circle, I need to sharpen my pencil because it is not sharpened. Oh, it's broken. If you are using pencils, always keep sharpener. Then if you stuck somewhere, then you can sharpen your pencil. Okay. Now my 4 circles are ready. Now you need to make some circles inside these all lines. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again you need to draw it double. Got it? Now just draw 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line. Okay? Just 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Got it? Now you need to make it double like this. Kerala mural is very artistic, very even I can say it is very systematic painting. Okay, done. Now you need to join all the spaces like this. So you need to draw from there like this. Okay, like this. Oh, this is little bit mistaken. Okay, now it is completed. Now I hope you are enjoying my drawing. Okay, one more design for this video, so you can trace the design like this. 1, okay, just got it 1 line. Again just you need to draw this, and just you need to draw this. Got it? Now you can make 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simple. Just join. Okay, just draw one circle inside this rectangle portion and just make it like this. Okay, now you can make a pattern like this. These all patterns are very important in Kerala mural, and you need to do more practice about this. Then we can start the main painting. Okay, so all these motifs are very important in Kerala mural. You can see all the designs in the Kerala mural painting. So just start to do this and do more practice. Okay, so see you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye.